Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both ends. On Mixamo, pick the character and desired animation, then download FBX with skin. Once done, open Blender and import that FBX using settings that preserve scale and armature. You do this so bone orientation and mesh scale match, otherwise retargeting becomes harder. Make sure Blender units match Mixamo, set meters, and inspect a quick scale cube. Now you have a working asset inside Blender. Keep the outliner visible and hide unnecessary collections before continuing. Next, retarget the Mixamo rig to your Blender rig or adjust the imported armature directly. You'll correct bone roll and clear parent transforms so rotation behaves predictably. This matters for IK chains and feet placement. Then confirm vertex groups and reassign weights where deformation looks wrong. Weight paints small areas rather than repainting everything. If you prefer a different control rig, bake Mixamo animation to the target armature and use the NLA editor to time and blend clips. This preserves animation edits for later. Finish by exporting your optimized asset with the right format, FBX for engines, GLTF for web, making sure you include only the required actions and baked animation. You'll want to compress keys and remove unused bones to keep file size down and prevent engine import errors. If you see foot sliding or mesh pops, first check root motion and bake the motion while preserving contact frames. If problems persist, rerun retargeting with corrected bone roll or use short IK pins to lock feet at contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.